Hello guys, welcome to another video of my channel Car Go and Take. This video is all about Atomberg smart fan. I have purchased this fan on Amazon from this discount. I purchased it nearly 3400 or 500 something. I wanted to install some smart fan in my home, I ordered this. So after ordering, I had to wait for 5 6 days for the installation guy to come. I could install it from a local installation guy, but I wanted to install it from authorized Atomberg installer, because this is a smart fan, and I wanted I wanted I mean no problem happens during the installation. That's why I had to wait for it. So after multiple reschedule calls, but this guy came, but he's good and professional. So after coming, he opened the two boxes. So this is the one, the first box. You can see he has some circular cushion to hold the rotor over here, and there are two cups that he is setting up side by side. This is the blade size. This is a 48 inch 48 inch blade. I wanted to buy a bigger fan, but somebody told me that it's for study room or bedroom. This standard size is okay until unless you go for 56 inch in hall room or something. So I think this is pretty good. So when the guy came on a scheduled time, uh, I didn't open the box or break the seal anything. It was intact. So he opened the box, and now he is installing the uh, first fan. So the blades are open, and you can see the he untightening the screws to put three blades. And I am more interested about this this smart thing about this fan. I saw somewhere that you can control it through remote, and you can control it through smart apps. So I will show you those things. Stay on the video in the later part. So now the fan is ready, fan is set, and he has to put it on the ceiling. The ceiling is already he set up with this cups. There are two cups, one is inverted and one is normal cup, and I have this wire. So he had to do something with this wires. He wanted to put this wire stream through the pipe. So after that he brought the fan, and now he is putting it up. So anybody who wants to see the installation, and you can do it at home. You don't need an installation guy. After installing my first fan, then I came to know that okay, we can do it at a home by ourselves, or even a local guy can do it. The extra tech part, whatever is there, is very simple. I'll show you on the video. So you don't have to wait for 4 to 5 days for an installation guy to come at your home to install this fan. And also mind it, this is not a free installation. The installation is chargeable. So I had to pay rupees 200 for each fan, but their service is pretty good. So I think one guy coming to your home, setting up everything, setting up the fan, and charging for 200 is very less. It's good. So now he has set up the fan, and you can see he is tightening the screws and everything, and after that he will make the connections, connect those two wires. So installation is pretty easy and simple, and I choose this brown color. I thought a dark color would be good, because it will look less dirty. Looking at the colors of my walls, I could choose for some other colors, but anyway, color doesn't matter. I just wanted to see how this atom bug things works, because everywhere I see advertisement, reviews and everything about you call about smart fan, it's only atom bug comes. So I wanted to see how good it is, and I wanted to show you the proper installation of the fan, which is very much unavailable on the internet. So if you see in my channel, all the videos that I wanted to put is mostly which is rarely available on some other places. So if you put a like, comment, or if you subscribe to these channels, that will be very helpful. Anyway, when the guy was installing and setting up these things, I had to hold the camera and shoot the entire thing. So I hope you can see now he will set up, and we will quickly go for the testing. So now we will test the phone. So for that I already downloaded the Atombug home app on my phone. I installed it, and right now I'm trying to connect with the fan. So when you open the app, you sign up, then you search for the available fan. So you choose your model over here, and you go next. Then you have to give a name, any name, my study room. Then comes to your Wi-Fi connection. So make sure you have connected with the 2.4 gigahertz connection, and put the correct password. Now it will take 1 minute for the app to connect. So by the time we test the fan with this remote, the remote is pretty good, straightforward, nothing complications. Also the remote doesn't need to connect via Bluetooth, blah blah. It is straightforward, just you press it, it will activate. Okay, so you have to put it towards the fan. That means the line of sight is required, and you can check with the fan speed also. There are 5 modes: 2, 3, hear the sound, 4, and 5. This is the highest, and the circulation is good. Okay, so this is the highest mode. There are 2-3 options on the remote, which is you can set your timer, you can set the lights on or off, LED lights, you can see. And also there is a sleep button. Sleep button is very useful. Every 2 hours it reduces the speed by 1 digit. So we start with 5. Now our app is ready. So this is the app interface, you can see. Just a moment, let me set my phone. Okay, this is the app interface, and you can switch. Right now the fan is on, so I will try to switch it off. Before that, there are 3 buttons at the bottom. The left side, you can make the timer for 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours. You can set your timer like this. So okay, this is also good. So we don't need to use the timer right now, so we should go back. And if I want to stop it right now, see, just one tap, the fan will switch off. You see, it is slowing down. Look at the blades, and it is switched off. Now I switch it on, the rotation started. And mind it, this is the connection through Wi-Fi. So if I am outside home, I hope I'll be able to control it. And this is the sleep. What is the meaning of the sleep button? That is already explained over here, that I told you. If you start the fan right now at speed of 5, every 2 hours it will reduce to 1 digit. Okay, so after 10 hours it will become 1. So it is very useful. At 4 a.m, 5 a.m, in the morning, it is very useful. So this is all about the app. And here you can see the electricity consumption. Also, you can see the rate of the electricity per unit if you put it. So you can see the money also that the fan is burning. So now I put it on my widget so that I can control it anytime freely. So here is the widget, and you see, not this one. Here is the widget. You see, just one tap, yeah, that's it, the fan starts rotating. So this is easy because every time I cannot open the app to start the fan. Okay, from here it's an easy button, I can increase it and off. Also it comes with this Alexa and Google Home. I have my Alexa and Google Home both. I have Apple Home also. Apple Home doesn't support here, Apple Home, but Alexa I have not set it up. Maybe I'll set it up later. I'll see and I'll show you. Thank you so much for this video.